Waste management is one of the greatest challenges facing mankind. Garbage is a significant contributor to global diseases, and over 500,000 deaths each year are due to drinking contaminated water. Low-income countries burn or dump over 90% of their waste in ditches and waterways, and 80% of ocean litter and plastics comes from land-based sources. Garbage also contributes over 5% of the world's greenhouse gases. With a growing population and waste that have overwhelmed its landfills, India is particularly challenged. Some of India's landfills exceeded their capacity over a decade ago, but their trash keeps piling up. The Ganges provides domestic water for 500 million people, but diseases arising from it are a leading cause of death among India's children. Therefore, to address this crisis, we have assembled an international team dedicated to applying sustainable waste solutions to protect global health and the environment. We will implement a breakthrough technology that successfully transforms unsorted wastes into energy. This means garbage can now become a resource instead of a burden. Combined with a system that captures waste from rivers, our project offers a realistic solution for cleaning the Ganges and reducing its contribution to ocean pollution. We offer a sustainable solution to the world's waste and energy problems that will simultaneously restore natural ecosystems, diminish disease, and improve global health.